Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Nathan, this is Masters. Hope you guys have a great day because I'm having an awesome day. Thanks for asking. So, I got my good friend Spuggles here.
Seriously, bro, you forgot to turn me on.
Oh,
turn me
okay,
on. I
I'm
can't be
sorry.
a magical unicorn if I don't glow.
How's that?
That's better, Nathan. So, hey guys, how's it going? My name is Spuggles. Is this camera on? I don't know if it's filming. Nathan, you should check that.
Yeah, you want to step back there a bit?
Hey, Nathan, I was thinking maybe you should do a real job.
But I like YouTube videos.
Yeah, but the world's your oyster. You could, go out there and maybe enjoy the sunshine a bit, not just sit around your house and do robot vacuum videos.
So, Spuggles, I got a question for you. Do you want to review a new product?
Yeah, I sure hope
Yeah?
it's a Lucky Charm box.
And it's not a robot vacuum.
Say what? Are we gonna review a giant Lucky Charm box? Don't tell me you just got punished with
show
Lucky
you.
Charms. Alright, let's go check this out. Really, Nathan? I thought we were friends. You're making me have to push this heavy box across the floor while you stand behind the camera and watch me struggle. Really? This is magical unicorn abuse. I'm gonna have to complain about this. I wonder if there's like a PETA for magical unicorns. But as long as I get my Lucky Charms, I can forgive you, Nathan. Ah, yes. More and more. Come on. More Lucky Charms, please. Oh, man. This is the life. Come back in a week, Nathan, or how about never? I just want to sit here and just bathe in Lucky Charms.
Okay, so it's already full. It only took like 2 seconds. So just press this button. Remove this cylinder. All you have to do is just twist. And you can clear out the entire chamber. So just slap back in and give it a twist. And it should lock in. And you're ready for the next cleaning challenge. Oh, hey guys.
Seriously, Nathan, you forgot to turn me on a second time?
Alright, so we got the Tocmoc. Do you want to go ahead and talk about the specs?
Do I really have a choice, Nathan? I can't read this.
It says it's a model T185. It's 3.3 kilograms. And it says vacuum cleaner. Wow, that's so helpful.
See, Nathan, no one cares about specs. They just want to see if the product actually works or not. I'm pretty sure it says the same thing on the
And
other
it
side.
says the
Blah,
same
blah,
thing
blah,
in
blah,
I
blah.
believe, Chinese, Japanese. But this thing's like less than $130. So we'll see how well this thing does. And thank you, Tocmoc, for sending me out this.
Hey, Nathan, enough with the chit chat. Let's get this guy opened up.
Smuggles just can't wait. He really
Yeah,
wants
hurry
to
up,
try it
Nathan.
out. And he thinks he wants to try something different, yeah?
Yeah, I want to try
Okay.
this new unboxing challenge.
Let's see. We'll get this guy opened up here. We'll do a special unboxing. Alright, Spuggles, are you
Bring
ready?
it on, Nathan. I'm ready for this. I managed to deal with you for like 10 years, so I'm
Okay,
a pretty tough
Spuggles, here we
magical
go.
unicorn. Alright,
Be
so,
brave.
yeah, nothing. I'm still standing. Ha, ha, ha. Alright, you got anything else then, Nathan? Come on. Ow. Okay, that was a little too much. Ow. Nathan, can you please...
Alright,
help me
that was
up
everything in the box. Box, instruction manual, sticky thing, power adapter, this thingy.
Hey, watch it, man. That was my face.
Yeah, I know, Spuggles. Let's hold on 1 second. Let's show everything, and then we'll go ahead and do the clean challenge.
Nathan, I was talking about my face.
Alright, so we got that aluminum stick. I think it's made out of metal, very nice. There's also some power prongs to power the motorized head. Here's a look at that. You got this nice little beater bar right there, and the head's adjustable. You also have the mounting for your wall. You got 3M stick tape. You also can get some mounting screws as well for your drywall. Comes with it. Nice. You also have a couch crevice tool. So yes, you can wipe down Sparkles, my precious.
Yes, that's the spot.
Sparkles loves being, cleaned up. He's kind of dirty. Hey Sparkles, what you doing over here?
I'm trying out this new hair regimen, so turn it on.
Oh, you want me to turn this thing on? Okay.
Yeah, make sure you turn on that. I want to screw up my horn. Okay, turn it off and pull me out.
Alright, I'll help you out. There you go, Sparkles. I think you're okay now.
Okay, I gotta check and see if this gizmo works. Whoa, look at my horn. It's like super pointy, and check out my hair. My hair is like completely gone. That's awesome. Now I'm like super streamlined. I can go quicker and do more magic tricks and stuff.
We also have the power cable or power brick. And we got the crevice tool for like your cracks. And lastly, here's the vacuum itself. Very cool looking design. This thing's less than 130 bucks. One downside is the battery's sealed, so you can't replace the battery or exchange it. You actually charge right here. The power cable goes right there. Here's the controls. Pretty simple. And look at that. One nice thing is you just press the button. There's no trigger to have to constantly hold down. Very nice feature. Keeps running until the battery dies. Also goes up to 22,000 pascals of suction. I believe the battery life is about like 32 minutes or so, depending on your power setting and what tool you're using. So if you're probably using the high suction on its motorized head, you probably get about 6 minutes, which is the average for these types of stick vacuums. Alright, let's go and get it charged up and we'll see how well it does. So when removing the attachments, I did find that they're a little stiff. Sometimes they took a little effort to remove it, so that's just one thing to consider. Also, the motorized head didn't do so well with the larger debris on this hardwood floors. It did better on the carpet. Okay, so you can see that on hardwood floors kind of push the large chunks around, and even on carpet kind of struggled a little bit. I kind of had to lift up the motorized head for it to reach the debris. Now, one thing to know is on more expensive models, they do have like dual motorized brush head design. That's just one thing to consider if you do have a very messy house and there's a lot of dirt and debris. The canister was pretty easy to empty out. Also, when charging, there's a light ring, so when the ring's complete, it will be at 360 degrees. Very nice touch. I like this cool little indicator. So with powder, with tiles, the Tocmoc did fine on its high power setting around 22,000 pascals. I found out the motorized brush head was adequate. Now, with the larger chunks that I have in the background there, it did struggle with. These are like bits of small broken up pieces of candy. You can see that I was trying to get that piece of candy from that ledge there, and it was still struggling, was able to really grab it. So what I found best is go ahead and go around with the crevice tool to pick up the large bits and pieces, and then go back with the motorized heads to pick up the fine dust. I did find that the motorized head did pick up the powder off the carpets and the tiles, so it did a fair job. Notice those 4 LED lights, great for cleaning up behind your fridge. Whoa, this is crazy. I still haven't messed my floor. Okay, so the Tocmoc did okay. It did die like 3/4 of the way, so I had to stop the challenge. But I wanted to see how long the battery lasts. I did a mixture of just high power, low power modes. Also, I tried out the motorized head, but I did find out the motorized head kind of pushed the debris around, especially this size. It's a fairly decent size of dirt debris, so that's just one thing to consider. How much the Tocmoc picked up? Yes, it required a bunch of emptying out the little canister, but yeah, it's quite impressive. So good job, Tocmoc, but let me tell you what I thought about it. So one thing about the Tocmoc is it's designed for someone who's just looking for a budget-friendly stick vacuum, nothing too crazy. This thing's like 130 bucks, so don't expect too much performance on it. And I know this test is kind of extreme, but I just kind of want to showcase what this guy can do and kind of put it through its paces. So what I found out is it does get clogged up a lot in this chamber here, especially if you're trying to pick up a lot of dirt and debris. So again, designed for smaller homes, maybe for just quick touch-ups, for the RV, maybe for the car, this thing should do fine. Alright, so have a great rest of your day. I'm so glad that you stopped by and watched this video. And if you do like the video, make sure you smash the like button. Really just help out the video itself. Have a great rest of your day and stay tuned because I got a lot of new products coming down the pipeline. See you later.